Okay, so in our previous session, we created this general structure of an HTML file. So in this session, we are going to read something from a text control using the HTML form, and we are going to display it back to the user. So the first thing we are going to do is to create a form and the input control. So I'm going to use the text control and I'm going to give it a name txt. Always remember to give every controller name so that you can call it in JavaScript. Well, I'm going to use in the normal button for this one. So the caption over the button is going to be click here for now, and that's the end of our form. So this is how it should look. Okay, so that's the form. Right, so when I enter something in this text box, as of now, nothing would happen because I've not connected my HTML form with the script, and neither have I added anything in the script section. So the first thing we're going to do is create a script, and I'm going to create a function here. The name of my function would be say ABC, and this is going to be the block of my function. Now I've created a function because I want to make sure that I can connect my script to the button. So if and only if when my button is pressed, should my ABC function be called and executed, not otherwise. So I'm going to connect my function ABC to the onClick event handler here, and I'm going to say when I click on the button, ABC function should be called, right? So that's what we are going to do. So the first thing we will do is create a variable, and I'm going to copy the value from the window, that's the browser window, the currently open document, the form named FRM, the text box named TXT, and its value. So basically that's the DOM hierarchy we are talking about. So from the current window, in the current document, there's a form FRM. Inside that FRM, there's a text box named TXT, and the value of this TXT is to be grabbed and copied in the variable A. And the next thing we are going to do is display the value of A to the user. So let's see how this goes. So refresh your page. Okay, and I'm going to put in, so there I'm able to display the value. So now if I enter anything here, you should be able to see the output, right? But now when you are reading a name, for example, you don't just want to give out the name, you want to greet them saying hello, right? So in this case, you can go ahead and extend this code by doing the string concatenation with the plus. Now this is going to bring up hello and the name together without any space in between. So if you want to have a space here, you can go ahead and put it inside the double quotation, because anything outside the double quotation, multiple spaces or tabs, is not going to work. Anything within the double quotation is what will be concatenated with the value of A, right? So you have to focus on this. This is the value of A and this is the string, and the plus operator works as an addition operator as well as the string concatenation operator. You can call it as the join operator, the merging operator. Basically it joins two strings. So let us see if we are getting the output. Refresh your page. Okay, that's, you should be able to see hello India, right? So this ends our first script. See you in the next session.